Thank you for watching this week's episode of our Thirukkural series. We hope that you found this chapter's verses and explanations insightful and inspiring. Thirukkural is a timeless work of literature that continues to offer valuable lessons and wisdom to people of all ages and backgrounds. Thirukkural is a timeless Tamil literary masterpiece written by Thiruvalluvar, a Tamil poet and philosopher. It consists of 1330 couplets, each offering guidance on different aspects of life. Thirukkural is divided into three sections, and the first section is Aram, which means righteousness. Today, we will be exploring the first chapter of Aram, known as invocation. The first couplet of Thirukkural sets the tone for the entire work. It reads, A is the first of the alphabet. Its primal letter is the first of all sounds. God, the Eternal, is the first cause of the universe. Just as the ocean is the source of all the water on earth, God is the primary force of the world. Thirukkural emphasizes the importance of leading a righteous life and worshipping God. The invocation chapter, in particular, is a prayer seeking God's blessings and guidance. The chapter begins with a description of God's qualities and attributes, such as His compassion and omnipotence. The sunset is a reminder that each day is finite and that we must make the most of it. Thirukkural urges us to use our time wisely and to dedicate ourselves to doing good. The chapter also stresses the importance of treating others with kindness and respect, and of living a virtuous life. Thirukkural teaches us that helping others is not just a good deed, but a duty we owe to our fellow humans. The invocation chapter concludes with a meditation on the beauty and harmony of nature and the importance of living in harmony with the world around us. Thirukkural encourages us to cultivate a peaceful and reflective state of mind so that we can better understand ourselves and the world around us. The first chapter of Thirukkural's Aram, the invocation, is a reminder that our time on this earth is limited and that we must strive to live a righteous life, dedicated to doing good and seeking God's guidance and blessings along the way. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback about this week's chapter, please leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you and continue the conversation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Thirukkural content. Join us next week as we explore another chapter and continue to uncover the beautiful and inspiring teachings of Thirukkural. Until next time, may the wisdom and values of Thirukkural guide you on your journey towards a more fulfilling and meaningful life.